Okay, this is all this is in topic, but there's a lot of people that just start talking on. You know, whether you like to Hmong American, có nè có gì Hmong, you shouldn't be ashamed of that, man. A lot of things talk God, they có Hmong, có nè có gì Hmong, có like có discuss your Hmong, you know. Don't let other people bring you down, like. So có bao nhiêu mình cả thế có bao nhiêu Hmong and you're smart. So chỉ tin on the talk God. You know, a lot of people ridicule and let thuộc mong de mong yêu lo nè thế chỉ mong yêu đấy tên mình nhỏ thế nên chỉ mong lo and stuff like that. You shouldn't let any of that bother you. You know, có yêu lo mong to từng chút to place sao yêu lo mong. That's what you are. You should be proud of it. But there to thuộc có mong để có này có gì mong so chia tiền to affect your life. Go connect to you. Don't don't feel ashamed that có you là Hmong and you know có cho children and stuff like that. Because in the yo in life, you're gonna get a lot of those things in life, like things talk off. Whether có you là trong cha, that's something that có tổ cho có nên wherever it is, let's talk off. Có you tiếng Hmong, should be proud of it, man. Because a long time ago, people did go through genocide. But though we try to live our life and bring to life more Hmong life, to me, Hmong share for yourself, you shouldn't be ashamed and you shouldn't let that downgrade you or make you feel like you have low self-esteem. People nên nhau, bên này bên chỉ Hmong là cho bên tôi bên chờ nó. Just like any Hmong parents, they fought for you. They fought for us. You nên nhau, tôi nên Hmong, you là nên Hmong. You nên Hmong, you nên Hmong too.